Friends, welcome to my channel and thanks for watching this video. Friends, in this video we're going to discuss about MicroVision INC, and here we are trying to find out a very simple question, and that is whether the correction is overdone or do we have more to be seen on the downside. So let's start analyzing this chart. But before that, if you haven't yet subscribed my channel, hit on the subscription button and also hit on the notification bell along with the all button to get my updated video notification. Now to analyze the chart of MicroVision INC, let's go to weekly chart rather than monthly chart where we can get a better view. So this is the weekly chart of MicroVision INC. Now there is a very important thing that has happened in the stock chart of MicroVision INC, and that is a big consolidation which has been happening in this particular stock for the last couple of years. Let me show it to you. So this was the consolidation or the resistance zone, as you can see, since 2012, and what we have seen in the past that the stock surpasses 3.31 and 4.31, for which we can call this as a range breakout. But because this turns out to be a false breakout and the stock down substantially below 3.31, your old range gets activated. And what's your old range? This is what we have here. So let me draw these lines. So I think this is the lowest end of the range we have here, and yeah, so there is an extension on the downside which is 0.90. So in case the stock continues to fall down or moving downward, there will be a range which you can see on the downside where we have 1.15, and the range of stop loss we have here is in between 0.90 and 0.98. So do not go below 0.90 on the downside, as this will be your strict stop loss. Now how to think or execute or plan a trade in this kind of scenario? There are two ways to do that. First way, let the stock fall and let it find its feet first, and the probable zone which you may consider as your buying zone is in between 0.90 or 1.15. Okay, so from here you can find a better swing toward 3.31 and 4.31. This is the first way. The second way, let the stock at least started trading or sustaining above 3.31. If that happen, you will at least get a surety or a confidence at least that the stock will move towards 4.31. If that happens, there is a possibility of breakout, and that breakout may push the stock higher. In which case, if the stock moves beyond 4.31, we have 5.44 as your primary target, and the recent highs that the stock has made will become your big target. So the extending range beyond 4.31 and 5.44 are 10.36 and $24. So right now the active range or the trend we have here will start with 0.90 on the downside and 4.31 on the upside. So let the stock settle down before you engaged in the trade, and more specifically, do not go below 0.90 on the downside, as this will be your strict stop loss. So this is the end of the video. Thanks for watching.